How to change Instagram password if you have forgotten your old password. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Instagram password if you have forgotten your old password, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we need to do first is to go into the Instagram account. Perfectly, now when I'm on my Instagram account, and let's say that for this account I have forgotten my old password and I still want to change my password. So to be able to do so, firstly we need to click on the three lines in the top right corner. Perfectly, now when you're in here, then we need to click where it says settings. Great, now what you need to do basically is to click where it says security. Great, in here we need to click where it says password. Perfect. As you can see, to be able to change your password on Instagram, then you will need to have your current password, and then you can write the new password basically. But if you don't know your current password or your old Instagram password, basically what you need to do is to just click where it says current password. Great. And as you can see, it should pop off that you have saved Instagram password in here. So for me it does, and I'm just going to click on it. And now I'm just going to use my Touch ID. Great, as you can see, the password just came basically automatically after that. So what I need to do now is to basically just write my new password. And when I'm done, then I can just click on save in the top right corner, and this should be able to fix your problem. So this is exactly how to do it. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video, and please subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.